Problem is, the hair, it's kind of all over the place. Okay. Hi, welcome to the video, out once again. And one thing we've come across is another potential abandoned place, which is just behind me, back there. I'm going to have a closer look at it and see if there's any way in. So let's have a look. So as you can see, it seems like quite a big building, long walls going across. Definitely looks run down. I'm just going to go round to the front, which looks to be of the entrance itself. As you can see, there's an opening, a clearing, and some trees chopped up which are old. Let me just have a look here. What is this? Looks rusty. And there's some material there. Those are nettles, so I'm not going to touch them. Seems kind of hollow. And there's like some, I don't know if that's a screw or some kind of sealant, whatever that is, some kind of box. It doesn't seem to be an opening. Wall's kind of high. Doesn't seem to be any cameras or anything. Big green doors. I don't know if they open or not, or there's any way of looking in. Like some kind of bolt going across. I don't know if it's a warehouse. I don't know if it's linked onto something nearby. Like the whole thing lifts up. Not really. So it looks to be a little bit loose, this. The whole thing moves. I think we can get a look in it to see if there's anything there or not. Is there anything there? So that's the inside or so. Not much to it, unfortunately. So this is what it looks like. Don't know what's in there, if there is anything. Is there anything there? Anyone there? Hello? Hello? Anyone there? Hello? Okay, so as you saw, you could see inside, looked like some kind of parking lot or something, or maybe a storage area. It was quite dark, but luckily the flash on my phone highlighted and illuminated the area. As you can see, it is quite big, the entrance to it at least. what we're going to do, we're going to go to the left and see if we can get around the back of something and see what happens. It is starting to rain now, so it is getting a bit dark, so let's see what happens. Okay, so we're just on the side of the building and just approaching some potential entrance, which is just there. Let's get up closer to it. Okay, what do we have here then? Some kind of hollow box or something and some piping. Let's have a little look on the inside. Turn the flash on because it's dark. Anything in there? Looks quite empty. Nothing to it. Yeah. So there's not much in there, to be honest. And then there's a door there, but it doesn't go into the building. It's just like a little cupboard or something. And there is a light on either side, and you can see some cabling, whatever that is. So yeah, let's carry on round the back. Right, so just approaching the back, there is a bit of concrete here, something. I don't know, some like cylinder for holding stuff. There is liquid there, and then there's like a little grid down there. So we just go around this corner. Okay, so we're just round the back of the building. If we look down here, quite wooded. There's not much to it. You know, there's a few shutters further down, doors, but they're all locked, closed. So there's not much to it. And if we just head on back up this way, there's a wire there and a hole. And we've got this box. I think that's a voltage box, 250 volts, I think. And a fuse. And if we just look here, this is the back of it, which looks like maybe another opening. I think it might slide on those rails, maybe. As you can see, there's another shutter door there, but it is locked. I don't think there's any other way of looking within. There is a hole there, but I don't think there's much to it. Actually, looks like there's another layer behind it, to be honest. Like another wall or something. So that's interesting. Let's just try this other hole. So yeah, another layer to it. Oh, and there's a plane. Okay, so yeah, this is another abandoned building which looks like some kind of warehouse or facility. Did have a look inside it briefly, which didn't show too much, but you never know what was caught on camera within the dark. And we just look round the back here. There's not really much going on, just a bit of rubble and stuff. Didn't come across anything dodgy, but you never know. So yeah, that is it of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.